If you went to school in the 80s, you might remember this sandwich. Soft white bread, sweet, creamy peanut butter, and somehow it just tasted better than anything at home. Today, I'm bringing it back. Not just peanut butter, but that sweet, whipped version that they used to serve with tomato soup. And yeah, it's way easier than you think. All you need, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, a teaspoon of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of softened butter or margarine, a teaspoon of light corn syrup. Start by combining your peanut butter, powdered sugar, and butter. A teaspoon of milk, and just a drop of vanilla. That's it. Mix it until it becomes smooth and just a little lighter in color. This is where it starts to change from regular peanut butter into cafeteria texture peanut butter. Now grab some soft white bread, spread about a tablespoon on each slice. Be generous, but keep it smooth. Close it up and cut it diagonally because somehow that just made it taste better. And if you really want the full experience, serve it with a bowl of tomato soup, that sweet and savory combo. That was school lunch magic. If you remember this, or if you just unlocked a memory that you had forgotten, hit subscribe because we're bringing back more food like this.